Hello, everyone. Today we're going to talk about how you can create your first entity on Cryptoworth. The first thing you're going to want to do is click on Create Your First Entity in the middle of the page. Now, you have a few options to set up for your entity. You would first name your entity here. So let's say you're naming your entity. Now you can select your fiat reporting currency for the entity. We support many different currencies. You can go ahead and select your currency for the entity. And then next, you can select your time zone. So this is an important feature because blockchain data, exchange data just defaults to UTC standard time. If you want to use your entity time zone, this is where you would do it. So let's go ahead and select the time zone. And finally, you can select your calculation mode. So this is your accounting methodology that you want to use for this entity. Now, this is not set in stone. You can change this setting after the fact. So if you're not certain what you want to go forward with, you can go ahead and click one for the time being just to create your entity and solidify this setting after the fact in your calculation settings. Now, we also have a privacy setting. So you can either have your entity available organization-wide for all the admins or normal access users that need delegated access, or you can deselect the company entity checkbox if you want this entity to be in privacy mode, meaning only you as the logged in user can ever see this entity and it cannot be shared unless you bring this entity back to company status. So let's go ahead and create this entity here.